I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you want to stay on top of your finances, enabling transaction alerts on your Barclays account is a great way to do it. Here is how to set it up in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Log into your Barclays account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This is typically located in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select alerts and notifications. In the account settings, look for the alerts or notifications option. Click on it to access the alert preferences. Step 4. Enable transaction alerts. Find the option for transaction alerts and toggle it on. You may have options to customize the types of alerts you want to receive, like for transactions over a certain amount. Note, if you don't see the toggle, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Review and save changes. After enabling the alerts, review your selections and click Save or Update to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message once it's done. Now you're all set to receive alerts on your transactions. This will help you keep track of your spending and spot any unauthorized transactions quickly. Happy banking!